got the idea. So today's video going to be Nykaa's Pink Friday Sale haul. See, आज मैंने outfit पे matching किया. Pink Friday Sale, pink outfit. Yeah. Yay. What I purchased from Nykaa's Pink Friday Sale, I am going to share with you guys. So watch the video until last and what? Let's begin the video now. So let me open this one by one. First I have this M Caffeine Body Scrub. It has pure Arabic coffee which helps to remove your dead cell and it's improve your blood circulation. Another ingredient with caffeine, it also has coconut oil. So it will not make your skin dry. It comes with this glass jar. This is very classy and with this wooden spoon. According to the price, they are giving nice amount of quantity. Now it is a powder form scrub, so you have to mix it with the water or with the oil. I personally use this once in a week. I used to use for body polishing, my lip scrub and my pedicure all in all. So this body scrub actually cost for rupees 449 but I got it for 395. So this is my third time purchase, third tub, this one. I used it before also. I love this body. I actually used from their range this body scrub, face wash and face scrub. But I personally love this body scrub. This is actually useful and if you are coffee lover, you will like this because of the flavor and not only for the flavor, actually it does its work. When they are giving this big deal offer, so why not to purchase? So again I purchased this one and this is absolutely favorite. You can try it, you will not regret. And this is also very useful, you know. So my mother used to use for kitchen purpose also. So yeah, this is useful. Just jokes apart. And if you are purchasing anything from M Cafe, you will get this free sample here. Actually this is very useful for travel. So here you will get this small body scrub. Then this body butter, cocoa body butter, and this one body polishing oil. So this is very useful for travel purpose. This is actually very good for travel kits item, right? Suppose you want to try this body butter, you can use it from here. If you like, then you can buy the full size. So and same thing here, this body polishing oil is very good. I used it full size also. This is very good. This bag also very cute and they are very travel friendly and useful. So I like this product. Because of this gift and this coffee scrub, I will give this 10 out of 10. This is from Nivea Soft Berry Blossom Limited Edition Moisturizer. This is very light moisturizer, not at all greasy. It has jojoba oil and vitamin E, so this is very good for skin. Actually, this is a good massage cream. It makes your skin healthy and actually very good for winter season. For dry to medium skin. This Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer actually cost for rupees 85 but I got it for 55 rupees only. So you know what I liked about this product? This is a good moisturizer obviously and it is non-greasy obviously, but what I like about this moisturizer especially because of the flavor. Oh my god, this smell really very nice. The smell really amazing. What I mostly like about this product because of the smell. This is like a berry smell. Really, if you apply this cream on your face, you will love the smell because I'm addicted with this smell. Not only for the good smell, actually it's a good moisturizer. You can use it, very good for winter season. So yeah, that's all. Next I have this Nivea body wash. All the time I'm using the Nivea body wash only. I use their all. This body cream, then lemon one, water lily one. I almost tried everything from the Nivea body wash. This is very good for daily use and it will remove your dead cell as well as packaging also very good and travel friendly. Cap is really tight and secure. This one actually cost for rupees 199 and I got it for 159. I love this body wash especially during the winter. This will give you the proper kind of moisturizer. Your skin will not look dry at all. So this is the best things for the dry skin people as well as this is the best for the winter season. For college going kids or if you're searching for some budget body wash in this winter season, you can try this product. It will not dry out your skin, that is the good part, so you can try this definitely. Next I have this Lotus Apres Scrub. Now I'm the person from long time I'm using this biotic one but I want to give a try. I heard about this scrub and actually I saw in the parlor they are using this scrub and this is good. So I want to try this product, that's what I bought this. And it is not so harsh to your skin. It is like not very gentle and not very harsh to your skin. So if you don't have pimples on your skin, you can use this product. If you have pimples, don't use this product. Maybe it can be break your pimples. So but But if you don't have any pimple on your skin right now, so you can use this is a very good scrub. And this is actually cost for rupees 95, and I got it for 75 rupees. And good part is this is actually useful. It will remove your dead skin, so at least week may 1 or 2 times use the scrub. It will give you good smooth looking skin. This will remove your dead cell, and after using this your skin will look so youthful. So I love this product, and you can try this. And again, this is budget friendly, and as well as this is very good quality product. So good things, I like it. Next I have this Pond's Super Light Gel. If you are following me, you know I love this moisturizer. This is the one moisturizer I'm using this for every purpose. Like under your makeup you can use it, summer season you can use it, winter season you can use it, like every time, every purpose you can use it. This is a very good moisturizer. Like I spoke about this moisturizer so many times. It has hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. Hyaluronic acid is a very good component. It will give you the proper moisturizer. So vitamin E is a great thing for your skin. It will give you the glowing skin. And now I have this moisturizer. Still I'm using this moisturizer. Again I purchased this one because actually it is cost for 299 rupees. In the Pink Friday sale I got it for 194. So it's a great deal. It's almost 100 rupees off. This is my all-time favorite. Like you can blindly trust this product. Seriously, it is super light, non-greasy. Like heavy moisturizer we cannot use under the makeup, right? But you can use this under your makeup. You can use it for the night skincare. So this is the one term that is very useful, and you can use it for multi-purpose. That's what it's my favorite moisturizer. And what? You can try this, then you will also love this. Then you comment me if you like this product. Okay, next I have this Lotus Herbal Sepsun sunscreen. Yeah, so I used to use this sunscreen from long time and I love them. This one Lotus sunscreen matte gel, SPF 50 and PA+++ UVA. So this is actually ultra soothing matte. It will give you the matte look and oil control. So why I prefer this one? Because of the matte look finishing and oil control. So it is very useful under your makeup, everyday kind of things. It's originally cost for 315 and I got it in the Pink Friday sale, 220 rupees. Yeah, more than 100 rupees off. That's what I purchased this one.
You know, good part is it will not leave any white cast on your skin. Formula and texture very nice. It will give you the matteish finish. Don't skip your sunscreen.
So now I have this Biotic BioCarrot Sheet Anti-Aging After Bath Body Oil. This is for my mom. This is my mom's favorite one, and this is a very good body oil. It is not very sticky one, and it will give you right amount of moisturizer. Especially it is good for the winter season and for the dry skin people. This is very good after bath. You can use it. Your skin will look so smooth. And this is originally cost for 135 rupees, but I got it for 85 rupees. That is a great deal, but it's a very good body oil if you are dry skin people. Next item I have this Omen Engage On Floral Fresh Pocket Perfume. So practically this is very useful. First of all, you can carry this on your jeans pocket. So yeah, it is very practical. Every day you can use it. You can carry this product, and this perfume is very good. This smell actually nice. I use this so many times. I am using this from long time, like full of my college time I used to use this one. This is actually cost for 60 rupees, but I got it for 45 rupees. This much size, but you will get 250 spray. Easily you can use it 2-3 months. It is very cheap, pocket friendly, budget friendly. Every day you can carry it. You can carry on your jeans pocket, and smell also very nice. Every time you can carry this, so it is very useful pocket perfume. If you are a person like me who carry the perfume every time, so for you guys it is very good. Definitely you can try this, and college kids, I think you will love this product because of the price and because of the quality. Now I have this leave-in serum. So from long time I'm using this serum. Like when I was in the 6th or 7th standard, from that time I'm using this serum, and I just love leave-in serum. Quality wise also very good. It is very useful for frizzy hair. Like I have so many baby hair, as you can see me. So I have full tub also. This is like for only for my pouch, so I can carry here and there. And every time whenever I saw the baby hair and my hair is not looking and you need little groom, because if you're outside, so I'm just doing this one, and it will give me the perfect hair. It is the savior for the frizzy hair girls. This is originally cost for 60 rupees and I got it for 46. Only for 46 rupees. So this is very useful and you can carry it like every day. For frizzy hair people, it is a savior.
And use it for your any hairstyle or as a heat protector to prevent your hair. Next I have this Gillette Venus razor for my personal hygiene care. You know what? 3 months before I made my first YouTube video, it was Nykaa Pink Sale haul, and today also I'm doing same thing, Nykaa Pink Sale haul video. So I'm so excited and so nostalgic, guys.
Next I have these two set of lipstick that is from Maybelline New York and shade name is Divine Wine and Touch Up Spice. So Touch Up Spice I used before also. I love this kind of nude color, so I bought this. Actually I got it for 399 rupees. Originally one lipstick cost for 299, like 300, and here I got two products with 400 rupees. So one product actually cost for 200. So that I think is a great deal. You know, winter ke liye I like bullet lipstick. They are very creamy to your lips and it will give you the moisturizer, as well as if you're not using any lip balm under this also, but it will look creamy to your lips. Now about the color, this Divine Wine is looking so amazing. See, today I'm using this one only. It is a very rich wine color, very good for, see the pigmentation is very good. 200 rupees में lipstick मुझे मिला and this pigmentation is so good. Oh my god, this color is so freaking good, man. Like Christmas particularly, this lipstick will be the, I love the lipstick shade, and they are pigmented. They are not dry to your lips and they are very good quality, comfortable on your lips. So I completely love this lipstick. Now one more shade that I have is Touch Up Spice. Touch Up Spice is very popular shades. Actually it's a nude color but pink undertone nude color. That's what I like this. See, this is pink undertone nude color. That's what I like this. This is good for every day. Every day for college going, office going. This lipstick is very good and I love the color. Like nude nuance also I have, but I don't like that color because it is brown undertone nude color. I like my nude should be pinkish, pink undertone. So I love the Touch Up Spice and I was running out of it. That's what I purchased again, and I love this lipstick for every day. You will get so many compliments. They're good in quality. This combo is actually very useful. See, one you can use for party occasion and one you can use for every day, and you are getting 3.9 gram product each and only for 200 rupees. 200, 400. This is budget friendly, pocket friendly. So in this video I don't have that much makeup collection, but I purchased two MAC Cosmetics lipstick from this Pink Sale only. I already made that video. If you haven't watched that video, I will put the link in the description box. Please watch that video. You will love that video.
For daily use, Maybelline Creamy Matte lipstick are more affordable. This range has so much color variety. Lipstick are long lasting as well as it will stay 4 to 5 hours easily. If you'll have oily food, it will fade out, but it will fade out evenly.
These all are my purchase from the Nykaa's haul. I hope this video was helpful. These all are my honest review. If you want to purchase, you can purchase. That was the review. But whatever you needed right now, you purchase that. Don't waste your money. And one more request, guys, please subscribe to my channel because it is the only thing that's give me the motivation. So that's all for today. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like the video, you know what's the deal. Like my video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Please make sure to subscribe my channel and see you soon, guys. Bye bye, take care, love you all. Bye, thanks for watching.